Alright guys, we're putting this bed together. If you want to see what it looks like at the end, just fast forward to the end of the video because we're going to show you guys how it works and everything like that. But we wanted to show the assembly too. So the first thing you're going to do is put this headboard together.
You put these two together first.
And
then you connect it to this bar.
And
then you connect these two pieces to this. But if I were you, I would put one side on first and then put this on. Because if not, then you have to take it all apart and then put this back together.
I guess you had to do that?
Yes. Multiple times.
Okay, and then you put these on?
And then you put, they have letters on them. And then you just put them on there.
Okay. So, she's going to come back with you guys and let you know what she does next.
Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you have these pieces right here, and you're going to connect them right here to this piece. So now we have the legs on right here. So now you're going to take these and just go on just like that, and you're going to connect them. Yeah. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to take these poles, and you're going to put them in these things, just like that. Okay, so now you're gonna take this pole right here and you're gonna set it just like that, and you're gonna use these screws to screw them in. Okay, so now you're gonna place this in here, and you're also gonna place this one in here as well. And then you have these tiny screws that are going to screw. We have the bed all put together. This is what it looks like. The top of it. This is what it looks like from the front. As you can see, it's still pretty tall. And up here we have the lights. I can show you guys how that works. So it has different buttons. And this gives off this effect. There's a spin wheel that changes the projecting image. And this also plays music or sounds. There's different ones you can put. And you also can turn, and you can also turn these lights on. And the sounds. That's it for this bed. I like this a lot. It's very sturdy, right height. I like this a lot. I give this an 8 out of 10. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.